Metis Solar Systems 365 are dedicated to bringing cutting-edge solar technology and expert guidance to clients across the United Kingdom. With a commitment to excellence and a passion for sustainable energy solutions, we ensure seamless integration and optimal performance for our clients' solar systems. Our specialisation lies in the design, fitting and installation of solar panels and battery storage solutions. We understand that each project is unique, which is why our team of highly skilled engineers is equipped with the latest industry certifications and accreditations. We have a national team of best-in-class installation and support specialists who are available to answer residents' questions, ensure their properties are suitable for the technology, and install the appliances. Feedback from residents so far has been hugely positive,